Okay friends, today I am going to show you how you can insert paper in the LibreArch file. You can see this is a LibreArch file. So this is a paper and mark in the middle so you punch well. And then remove. It was here before. You need to remove. If you press here, you can remove. And this is for lock. Put the paper. You see, this is in the middle. Now it's open, but now it's off, locked. So again press, it's locked like this, and press here to open again. And if you want to keep, you see it's locked. And finish.